Hello wannabe mechanics. In this video we are going to show you how to do the maintenance job on a Opel or Vauxhall CrosslandX equipped with the 1.2 liters petrol engine, 81 horsepower. Anyone can do this job as long as they follow the simple steps illustrated in the tutorial. The maintenance job for this car is very simple and you will just need a few cheap tools. So if you don't mind getting your hands a bit dirty and you like working on your car, let's get to work.
Don't go anywhere guys, meet you back in the shop right after our short intro.
The tools you will be needing for this job are a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket and a ratchet wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, an 8mm hex bit, and an oil filter wrench. You will also need .5 liters of engine oil, the new oil filter, the new air filter, and the new pollen filter. The oil filter and the oil drain plug are very accessible. Place a container under the drain plug. Loosen the oil drain plug using the 8mm hex bit. Remove the drain plug and let all the oil drain. Remove the engine oil cap for a better oil flow. When the oil starts dripping, remove the oil filter. To replace the air filter, loosen this collar clamp with a flathead screwdriver. Then remove the bolts on the cap of the air filter's housing with the Phillips screwdriver. Remove this 10mm bolt holding the cap. Now we can gently remove the air filter's housing. Insert the new air filter and place the housing back. Put some oil inside the oil filter and grease the O-ring. Make sure the O-ring of the old oil filter didn't get left behind before threading the new oil filter. Use the universal oil filter wrench to hand tighten the filter. Thread the oil drain plug and tighten it up to 30 Newton meters. If you don't have a torque wrench, just hand tighten it. Take a funnel and pour the 3.5 liters of engine oil. Check the level on the dipstick before and after turning on the engine. On this car, the pollen filter is placed outside under this plastic cover. Replace the old filter with the new one.
For any questions or suggestions, and if you find our videos interesting, make sure you subscribe for the latest wannabe mechanic videos. Bye bye.